Yeah, hi everyone. I think I'm audible to all of you. Good evening. Yeah, hi Shankar. Really good video from Udemy. Thank you so much. Yeah, hi Nasir. Hi everyone. So I hope guys you are doing well. Your learning is also doing well. Let me know guys if you are facing any issue and whatever content actually we have published for you. So how is the content? You can also let me know. Any feedback guys? And if you need anything else, you can let me know. I'll try to create that one also. And I'm having actually lots of plan in this channel. Here actually, I'll be bringing up everything you need in the field of artificial intelligence. So recently, actually, I'm working on the end-to-end project implementation. So I think soon this implementation would be also published. So those who are interested learning, let's say, end-to-end project implementation, so you can also refer this playlist and all, right? So we'll be starting from the very basics implementation because I know that there would be so many people, they are starting new in this field. So that's why I'm starting from the basic itself. So in the basics one, first of all, I will try to implement the entire pipeline without any kinds of MLOps tool. Okay. But once we complete the basic part, then we'll also start with the advanced part as well. In the advanced part, I will also show you how we can use different kinds of MLOps tool so that everyone can understand. It's not like that I will start with the advanced implementation. So those who are starting new, so they will be facing the difficulty here. So I don't want that because I want to take care each and everyone. So that's why I'll be starting from the basic itself. Okay, basics to advanced. This is my plan. Yeah, hi, Monisha. Hi. Okay. So guys, as you can see, we have already published so many content related Python, then generative AI. So you can go through them because see, everything we have covered, each and everything. I mean, in detail, you will get, let's say, if you want to learn the Python, yeah, thank you. If you want to learn the Python, so there is a Python playlist. If you want to learn the object-oriented programming, this is the separate playlist. If you want to learn about, let's say, generative AI, this is the separate playlist. Okay, that's how we are having different playlist. Your Python course is awesome. Thank you, Manisha. Yeah. Then regular basis, we are also performing these kinds of QA operations so that I can get to know like whether you are having any doubt or not. The learning actually you are doing from my channel, so you are having any kinds of doubt or not. So if you have any doubt, you can let me know. We'll try to clarify. Apart from that, we'll be also discussing about some career related query. Let's say how to apply for the jobs, how to prepare your resume, right? So these are the things we'll be also discussing about. So if you see today's actually agenda, today we'll be discussing about how to apply for jobs. Okay, let's see if I want to apply for jobs, then how it can be done. So if you want to apply for jobs, so the best, okay, so please make a video about required GPU configuration for the LLM and LLM ops application. Yeah, definitely we'll try to also create it, but whenever, let's say it comes to the LLM, actually fine tuning, that time we don't use our local system. We'll be using mostly cloud system. But if you want to execute any kinds of open source LLM in your local machine, make sure you are having good configuration machine, at least 64 or 32 GB actually RAM. Then you should have actually good configuration GPU in your system. Otherwise, you will face difficulty for sure. And if you want to learn, execute, if you want to execute these are the actually model in your local, that time you can use some additional software. Let's say Olama you can use. Even also you can run the quantized model. Okay, so this thing actually you can do. Podcast would be on Sunday. I think I already posted, so you can join the TVI there. Fine. Okay, see, if you want to apply for jobs, any kinds of jobs, so the first thing I already told you, you have to prepare your resume. Okay, you have to prepare your resume, and I already given you the resume tips, how your resume can be prepared. Yes or no? Just a minute. I think I can. Some connection issue on my side. Just a minute, guys. Okay. I'm having some connection issue. I don't know. My internet is slow today. So what I was telling, I already told you about this resume preparation. That means, first of all, just go through the job description. Based on that, upgrade your resume. Let's say if they're looking for machine learning developer, so you also should mention project related machine learning. You also should mention your skill related machine learning. Okay. That time, if you are mentioning any deep learning based project, NLP based project, so there is no meaning of that, right? So that's how actually you have to always take care your resume. And you can apply for the jobs through different web portal. You can also apply for the jobs from the LinkedIn. If you have some connection, if you have some referral, okay, from there also you can apply for the jobs. So nowadays actually there are so many website. You will see there are so many jobs are available. You can apply through the website. Okay, that would be the best one. Can you suggest a playlist to prepare interview on 9th for AI engineer role? It's a very short time. I use the Python playlist to revise. Here definitely we can also discuss like how we can prepare for the interview. So maybe we can conduct a live session there. Actually, I'll try to clarify this thing. What is the difference instruction fine tuning versus PFT fine tuning? Difference instruction fine tuning and PFT fine tuning. See, PFT means parameter efficient fine tuning. Okay, that means let's say whatever large language model we are having, let's say open source large language model we are having, this model size is a little bit big, right? If you see, it's around more than 20 GB 30 GB, right? So we can't load this model in our system. Or if you're using any cloud platform also, sometimes it would be difficult to load that model because it is having millions and billions parameter, right? So what happens actually whenever we perform the fine tuning operation, so what we do, we use one, actually let's say a quantized model of that version. That means we use parameter efficient fine tuning. So there are some technique, that means LoRa QLoRa helps us to load that model in a quantized format. That means in the 4-bit precision. Okay, then let's say 8-bit precision, you can load that model. And what is quantization, what is PFT, I already discussed in my playlist. So that means generative AI playlist. If you go to the generative AI playlist, so there I already discussed about this PFT part, I think. So what is fine tuning? I think I have already discussed. Let me show you. Yeah, fine tuning meta. What is fine tuning? Okay, so here I already clarified what happens actually whenever it loads the quantization model and what this quantization means exactly, right? That means whenever I'm talking about 4-bit precision, what will happen? My model would be loaded in the 4-bit memory. Okay, 4-bit precision. And initially, what would be the like size of the data, floating data? I think I already written there. So if I play this video now, so I think I mentioned there. Let me show you. Mm. So you can see full precision, that means 32 bits. Okay, 32 bits. In the 32 bits actually, memory, it will load the model. So that's why size is a little bit high. So what I have to do, we have to use some technique to load that, let's say, model in the low bit precision. Okay, that is the idea. That means we'll be loading in the 4-bit precision, 8-bit precision. That's how we can reduce the size of the model. Okay, and that's how you can perform the quick training operation if you are also having low configuration machine. So this is called actually PFT fine tuning. And instruction fine tuning means you are giving the instruction. Okay, instruction, that model, that means you are providing the chat instruction. Okay, that means supervised. There is a concept called supervised fine tuning. Reinforcement reinforcement feedback through human feedback. I think there is a concept, so you are giving that one exactly. So before learning generative AI from your playlist, anything is prerequisite to learn before watching your video? So here I'm expecting you are familiar with Python programming at least and basics of natural language processing. Okay, that's it. Because whatever, let's say, model architecture I have discussed, let's say this transformer, okay, and all. So for this, actually, you need to know what is attention, what is encoder, decoder. So these are the thing. At least you should have an idea. If I don't that skills, what should I do? Want to do? What skill actually you are talking about, Velugu? Okay,